How can you establish an open, integrated factory? How can workflows be automated and simplified? As soon as a customer places an order, like a customized and personalized double-seat valve, the intelligently networked process starts. The journey of the intelligent valve begins with component manufacturing. Operators assemble the electronic valve head according to user-specific requirements. They are supported by an integrated cobot that hands over the order-specific components. An attached camera uses image processing and machine learning to ensure consistent quality. This also helps to avoid errors. All data is then verified, and operators can provide feedback on the order at hand. The component is managed with an electronic Kanban flow application. The material box is supplied to the next work step on request. The main assembly process starts with the prefabrication of the identification plate. To personalize the double-seat valve, the individual plate is printed according to customer configurations. Here you can experience Industry 4.0 orchestration scenarios. The pre-assembled valve head is then brought together with a finished identification plate to continue its journey on the extended planar system. First, the kit is lifted on a free-floating planar mover with a cobot. Here it moves smoothly and contact-free over planar tiles utilizing electromagnetic forces. The kit stops at the visual inspection station and is photographed and verified by means of optical quality inspection, empowered by machine learning. Then the cobot lifts the kit to the scale to check the weight. All production data is collected and documented. If any value is out of tolerance, the kit is transferred to rework before continuing its journey. If all key figures conform with the target, it circles until it is picked up by an AGV. Through vertical and above all horizontal integration, all areas of manufacturing communicate with each other. All processes are seamlessly integrated and can be monitored using SAP solutions for digital manufacturing and SAP Extended Warehouse Management. This way, all materials and components are available at the planned location in time. For final assembly, all materials are automatically staged to the workstations with the SAP EWM using the built-in material flow system to control the automated warehouse and a direct communication to control the AGVs to pick up all materials. There, the kit arrives at the same time as the corresponding raw valve. The AGV system constantly evaluates the overall situation and possible routes. So the vehicles automatically head for a free assembly station to supply all the necessary raw materials. Here, operators are supported by an intuitive camera guidance and interface. They receive immediate visual signals. This way, they always know whether all relevant production steps were carried out correctly to ensure high quality and avoid errors. The finished valve is then automatically picked up and transported to functional testing. Here, the operator initiates the test process via gesture control. Compressed air is passed through the double-seat valve to see if it works correctly. All test results are recorded to ensure full traceability. The finished checked valve is then stored and ready for shipping. As the valve is completed, the digital twin is created as well. Together with all relevant production data, it is the single source of truth for further processing and operation of the double-seat valve. This way, the open integrated factory supports its operators and forms the basis for a continuous improvement process and frictionless digital supply chain.